Hi guys, it's Caleb here with MarineMax Lake Norman. Today I'm doing a walkthrough video on this new in stock 2025 Yamaha 222XD. This is the premier model for the surf editions for the 22 foot with the Yamahas. We have this one in the space blue. Comes with your galvanized dual axle trailer with the swing tongue. It's a nice touch. Got nice powder coated tower on this one, tower speakers with your bimini top on it, deployable. Swivel board racks. We'll swing around to the backside. Hop up in this thing and show you some of the features on the inside. Coming up on in, you'll notice you got a nice spacious platform here. Gear up your board or your skis, get the tube ready for a day out on the water. Great spot to hang out the sandbar too. You got plenty of cushions, speakers on either side, cup holders everywhere, grab handles for when you board the boat. Over on your starboard side, you got your stereo head there as well. You even got a table mount back here on the platform as well. Moving up on and in, you'll see a nice flush, consistent walk through here, really easy in and out, no stubbing your toe or tripping on anything. You also have storage in these back seat backs here on either side. Nice touch. Coming in, you got nice U-shaped seating here. Plenty of space for a 22 foot. Again, you got cup holders, you got a dedicated spot for your cooler. And this one comes with dual captain's chair setup. Over on the helm side, we have a nice bolster. This swivel slides and reclines. More into the helm station here. You got a nice wireless phone charger slash holder. Nice rotary encoder for your screen. This is also a touch screen, so you can either use the touch controls or the rotary encoder. We talked about this being the drive edition. You do have the paddles on the back of the steering wheel here, forward and reverse. Super convenient for docking situations. A couple more default buttons up here, your accessories, your blowers, your horn, good stuff like that. This is also a touch to start or push to start. So you got start for your starboard and your port side over here as well. Nice throttle assembly over here. You can link it into one, so you're not having to use both if you're underway. Really convenient as well. You got auxiliary up here, USB and USB-C charging ports up there as well. Moving on over to the passenger side, really spacious, comfortable spot. Plenty of storage and cup holders. You got two glove boxes here as well. You do have a charging pad up here on the non-skid. Nice non-skid on the dash. And then moving up into some more of the storage. Right now we have our filler cushions for the bow in there, but tons of storage in there. And on this side, you got some more storage in there, but this doubles as your windscreen as well. So when you pull this windshield over, it protects your the cockpit. Keeps it a little bit less windy, a little warmer for you on some of those chillier days. Down inside the floor, you got a big storage locker, but you also have your ballast tanks in here as well. And then moving on up into the bow, again, you'll notice how spacious it is. You got cushions on your seat backs here pretty much all the way throughout. Nice grab handle, storage underneath both of these seats here. Really deep, communicates through into your helm storage over here. These cushions will pull out if you want a little footwell for yourself. And again, I said we had the cushions in the storage there, but this will fill out into a bed. You also have nice anchor slot for your, or an anchor locker for your anchor. And then you got a nice telescoping ladder that goes down on the bow as well. You'll notice the non-skid up here. When you pull, or when you're coming in, boarding from the bow here, you got a nice step down into the boat. It's really comfortable, easy to get in and out. Again, this is Caleb with MarineMax Lake Norman. This is a 2025 Yamaha 222XD. If you guys like this boat, we'd love to see you here. Give us a call. We'd be happy to answer any questions you have. Hope to see you here soon. Thanks.